most of you have just stepped on the building, is that correct? In the premises of the commission. I think this is not the first. Because as we reach out to one another sa ating pagkapwa, sabi nga ni Professor De Leon, tayo ay magiging isa sa ating hangarin na palawakin ang kaalaman ng ating mga mamamayan, the general public, on our great history and culture. The chairman mentioned about branding. No? If you're aware, we launched the brand of Rizal, Haligi ng Bayan, during the celebration of his sesquicentennial, when I was still under the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. But because I moved to the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, there's another brand, which is Ani ng Sining. So itong mga branding na ito ay mahalaga para ilagay natin sa ating mga katulad nga niyo, this is the Vlogger's Hour. The moment you reach out, I think it is very important that we give meaning to what we do. Alam po ninyo, ako ay medyo iba ang pananaw sa buhay. Sinabi nga ni Chairman kanina, ay appreciation of the best in the Filipinos. I totally agree. Because every individual becomes what he or she is because of the way he thinks or she thinks. So therefore, we can say that we are what we think we are. If we are positive, if we think that kaya nating baguhin ang pananaw ng mga Pilipino through the things that you do, through the vlogs that you do, we can do it because of the positivism that we put into our thinking. And so, since I'm very new in the commission,